Okay, today we're going to show you how to do a factory reset on your LG TV. This will work with almost any of the LG models. Since you're watching this video, you're probably having some problem with your LG TV and you'd like to reset it so you can get it working again. Now, I am going to show you in a second how to do that factory reset. But I usually recommend on most of my videos trying what they call a soft reset first, because that factory reset will basically wipe your set clean and any settings, any apps and everything that you have on there you'll need to reload. So you should probably try, if possible, the reset I'm going to describe here, the soft reset first. If that does not work, I'll go on with the hard reset, the factory reset, and then that should take care of your problem. Now, the soft reset is real easy to do. That's all you need to do is unplug the TV from the wall. Don't turn it off by the remote. Unplug it from the wall. Wait about 60 seconds and then plug it back in. In most cases, this will solve, believe it or not, a lot of your problems. Okay, if this doesn't take care of your problem, then you can do the factory reset. We're going to show you how to do that now. And again, this will basically return your TV to the original way you bought it. So anything settings you made on it, any apps you loaded on it, will all be gone. Okay, to do the reset, press the home button on the remote. Go to settings. Go to the general menu and then select reset to initial settings. Okay, that's our video for today. As always, thank you very much for watching and please remember to subscribe.